In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add keyframes in Capcut PC. So the first thing you're going to do is you are just going to open Capcut in your system. If you already have an icon of Capcut on your desktop, you can just simply double click on it to open Capcut. But if you don't have an icon of Capcut on your desktop, you are going to type into the search box of Windows for Capcut. And then you will be able to see here CapCut on the top. Just click on it to open the application. Once you are here, you are going to click on Create Project. And first of all, you are going to import some media. Like I am importing this file over here. And then you are going to drag this to your timeline. Once you have done it, you can add keyframes to it. So first of all, if you haven't selected the file yet, you are going to select on these files and then you will be able to see here some options on the right side of the screen. Here, if you see next to every option, you will be able to see here this kind of shape. These are actually the keyframes. Like if you want to add a keyframe of scale which is zoom in and zoom out, you can click on the keyframe next to it. And similarly, if you want to add the keyframes of position or rotate, you can click on the keyframes next to them. And if you click on the keyframe next to transform, you can make changes in all of these options, which include scale, position, and rotate. So for example, I have added a keyframe over here. Next thing you are going to do is you are going to go some frames ahead of your clip, and after that you are going to click on this shape again to add a new keyframe. So for example, I'm going to zoom in into my clip between these two keyframes. So once I am here at the position of my second keyframe, I'm going to add in some zoom. And if I also want to make changes in any of the other settings, I can do it as well. So for example, I'm going to rotate my clip a little bit as well. Once the changes have been made, I'm going to run my clip again to see what changes I have made. As you can see here that my clip has been zoomed and been rotated because of the keyframes I have added. And if you click on your clip again, you will be able to see here these white boxes over here which indicate the keyframes.